Making money from scratch in 2024. In this video, I'm gonna give you a complete guide and show how to make profits on the Forex market in real time. Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'd like to talk about the difference between Forex trading and binary options trading. Today, we'll dive into these money-making methods, pros and cons. We're gonna try to make a few deals both in binary options and on Forex web terminal. Today we'll mostly trade with technical analysis levels, horizontal support and resistance levels, and of course analyze both platforms so that you'll be able to know their work principle and express a preference to use one. So let's start right away. The video has barely started and we've already earned $276 on binary options. The first deal is done. There was a level right here, and that's exactly where we placed the downward trade. A little retracement occurred and we've made money with it. So I'm sure everyone has heard of binary options. The system of making money here constitutes the price placement prediction within a certain time period. It has a sort of difficulty to it, however, that can easily be considered as an advantage. We choose the deal's expiration time ourselves, and if our analysis and predictions turns out correct, we earn up to 92% of our deal's amount right away. So, no matter how much the market grows or falls, it's only important for the price to end up higher or lower than it was at the moment we placed our trade. This level has been broken through, so we might start trading upwards soon. So, Forex trading is a way more complicated technical tool. Basically, your analysis here may look identical to the one you do on binary options. However, in order to make a deal on the Forex market, you gotta take much more nuances and details into consideration. So they might occur on this market, so you gotta take them into account. As I've already said multiple times, all we've got to do in order to place a trade on binary options is do some analysis and make that deal. It's literally done in one click. We're waiting for the price to reach the resistance level, for instance here, hoping for some kind of a reaction, and clicking the lower button. The deal's amount and expiration time are set in advance. Now let's consider the difficulties inevitably faced on the Forex market. In order to make a deal on Forex, not only do we choose the trading direction, but we also choose the volume of the trade in lots, which is also considered a profit margin. For instance, we've got $1,000 on our account balance, so the highest deals amount we can afford is $1,000. The platform itself won't let us set a higher amount in any way, So we've made profit here. Back to Forex. Basically, one of the most obvious peculiarities of the Forex market is you don't get to make a profit in a certain percentage of your deal. The payout depends on the market value. Let's consider this simple example. Right now, we're placing a trade at the price level of 212. Here's the trend line. And the chart has broken through this trend and is currently testing it to keep going further down. Here is the nearest support level and the price is eager to reach it, and we can therefore close our deal at this price level of 208. Let's try this out. Take profit, which is the price we're gonna take our profit at, is gonna be 208. Let's do 209 actually. And stop loss, which is the level that doesn't let us lose more than we're ready to, is gonna be around 213. Yeah, I'm thinking 213 and a half actually. Basically, stop loss sets the border above which there's no point to wait for the price to go, as our prediction assumes the market will go down. If the market goes up, that will mean our analysis was essentially wrong, so we use the stop loss border to prevent additional loss. I hope you get it. So we've set the take profit level to 209 and the stop loss one to 213. Now it's time for us to determine the margins. If we take one BNB coin, the deal's value will amount to $425. Let's settle for a half of that coin, $212, and place our trade. This way, the deal is getting open at the price level of 212.8. It will close either by reaching the level of our take profit at 209. Let's mark it with a horizontal line real quick. Around here, or the deal will close when it comes to the stop loss price level, which we have set for 213.5. Our profit and loss are regulated by leverage. Forex trading leverage may vary from 1 to 1. For instance, our margin is $230, so our position will thereby be $230 as well. All the way up to 1 to 1,000. If our leverage is 1 to 1,000, we gotta multiply our margin position by 1,000. Basically, this one is the riskiest trading one. This is the most conservative one that brings the same results simply just buying any crypto coin. So the profit you make entirely depends on 1, the leverage, and 2, the distance the price has moved for. Obviously, if the price passes half the distance and you decide to fixate your deal at this level, you'll earn a lot less than you would by ending the deal here, for example, a bit higher. Meanwhile, it's important to note the chart might not necessarily reach this level. Forex is basically a whole new level of trading. It requires an entirely different level of market comprehension and skill regarding such tools as stop loss, take profit, etc. And when you've got a choice on the amount of your profit, your emotions such as fear or greed might simply take over, so be careful. So guys, despite my decent results on Forex in the past, I still prefer binary options as I love this specific method of making money much more. It's way easier and much more suitable for beginners, especially those who don't understand a thing in this field. You've got simple risk and money management rules. The highest number you can lose is the amount of your deal, which is $300 in my case at the moment, for instance, and the highest amount you can earn is 92% extra of the said deal's value. You couldn't care less if the market grows or falls and far and rapidly, it's only important that the chart ends up lower, as in this case of a downward prediction, or in another case of an upward prediction, the opposite, higher than the level the trade was placed at. The rules here are extremely simple. It's very easy to start, and you are even free to just copy deals from other traders or work with my signals from my Telegram channel. So overall, I'm certain that binary options is the best way for beginners to start making money online. If you consider yourself a professional, if you already make over $100 a day, of course, feel free to try your hand at Forex. I will make sure to make a couple of guides for this specific method. That's it for today. Don't forget you can earn just as easily using my signals on the Pocket Option platform. The link to my Telegram channel with signals is in the pinned comment below this video. See you very soon.